Hello and welcome everyone. I'm gonna make this painting in the video, so if you want to know how I made it, please keep on watching. In this painting I'm using galaxy colors, so I'm picked a gold, a Prussian blue, a white, a purple, a pink and a turquoise, and the turquoise is pearlescent. All the colors and brands are down below in the description. I'm using one big cup and I'm spraying it with silicone spray so the paint will release more easily when I flip the cup. The first color you pour in mostly will come on top on the paint. That's why I always use a metallic as the first color, and then I pour in the other colors, and I try to think about the contrast between the different colors, so I pour in a dark color, then a light color, a dark color, and then a light color. If I want a certain color to pop up more, I will use more of that. I don't use too much white because I don't want the white to take over most of the time, because you will see in the end white does easily take over the painting. You also have to remember what kind of colors different colors make together, like blue and yellow will make green. If you don't want green, then don't put the blue and the yellow next to each other. If you don't know which color will mix together well or don't mix together well, just take a piece of paper, put some paint on there and mix it and see if you like the color that it made. I had some purple left and some white, so I'm pouring it around it, so maybe some of the paint will go underneath the purple. Also I'm using the white to cover the corners, because it's always hard to get the corners and the sides. The reason for that is because I don't like to overstretch my cells. I would like the cells to be round of shape or oval and not all wobbly and misformed. The cup was really pretty, so I had to show you guys how it looked. I flipped it over on photo paper so I can use it for jewelry later. When you're tilting, keep all your cells in mind, because you want to keep the shape, so always when you tilt up, tilt back down again, so you keep the shape of all the cells. That's at least what I like to do. But remember to not leave too much paint on there, because then the paint will crack when it dries. Check your corners to make sure there's paint on there. I just use my fingers, some people use a spatula. Just do whatever you want to do to cover the sides. I really fell in love with this painting. I really love the combination of colors. I like how the gold and the turquoise and the pink made like an oil effect on the painting. Sadly it didn't dry up level. I'll show you in the end a photo on how it looked dry. I'm sad to say I don't have a camera to take a picture at this point when it's wet, to take a picture that's a higher enough quality so I can use it for prints or anything. Maybe in the future I will have that, because then I could have captured this beauty and made art prints of it. And this was the painting dry. It wasn't level, the cells broke open, so it just looks horrible. I'm so sad to see it go like that. Luckily I have some beautiful pictures from when it's fresh and they look so amazing. So please make sure your paintings are level when you dry them. Even if the canvas is level, make sure the surface that you put it on is level, because that was my problem, because it's sad to see your beautiful painting go that way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated. You can also follow me on Instagram, I'm mostly active on there. I take beautiful pictures and post them on there, and you see them way earlier than here on YouTube. Thanks again and see you in the next video.